Okay, so here's how to connect to an Access database using Delphi 7. The first thing you need to do is actually set up a connection in the ADO tab. You need to choose the ADO connection button and click anywhere on your form. Now this won't be shown on your form, it'll be invisible, but it's still a good idea to move it out the way of any buttons or text boxes you're going to have, so I'm just going to put it up in the corner out the way. Now it's always a good idea to name your things appropriately, so down in the properties box, ADO connection 1 is a fairly sensible name anyway, so I'm just going to leave it. The next thing you need to do is build a connection string. Now any application you use that connects to a database will need a connection string. It's basically the path to where the database is. If you're saving it online, it'll be the IP address and the path through to your database. However, as we're saving our Access database on the computer, it's just going to be the file path to that database. So you click the three little dots, use connection string and build. You need to choose the Jet4OL EDB provider and click next. Select enter database name, again click the three little dots and you can go to where your database is. Now it's a good idea to save your database in the same folder as your project. However, I'm having administrator troubles at the moment, so I can't. So I'm just going to choose mine where it is at the moment. Now it's not going to cause any problems. However, if you do move the database or the project, then you will need to rebuild the string, which is why it's a good idea to save the database in the same project folder, and then you won't have any issues if you move them. So anyway, choose your database and click open. This here, delete, otherwise it will constantly ask you for a username and password and will be very annoying. Test the connection, see if it works. Yay, it works. Okay, and we have a database connection to our form. In the next step I'll actually show you how to actually